My topic is current cybersecurity issues and protection mechanism. Content introduction of cybersecurity, cybercrime and issues and protection mechanism. Now, introduction. Maximum people say nowadays each and everything you buy the internet through the social media or many websites. So, day by day, the security issues increase. So, first of all, what is cybercrime? Criminal activity carried out by means of computer or the internet. And what is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity refers to the set of technology techniques used to protect the integrity of network, program and data from attack, damage or unauthorized access. Now here is a list of cybersecurity issues: hacking, theft, cyber stalking, malicious software, phishing, etc. Issues and its protection mechanism. Now, first of all, what is hacking? If any person's detail is used or hacked by some person, it means some sensitive information like account number, password is used by some other person. It is a hacking. So, how can they get the person's username or Wi-Fi password, etc.? Here is example. Suppose I have a Facebook account and there is a uh, two screens which display same facebook.com, but both website have different domain name. So here is the first screen which alphabets means name is facebook.com, but here a is not US English, but it is from Russian English. And here Facebook is name letter from English. So how can we get which one is true and authenticate website? So many times we feed our data on fake website. So there is one website who is the domain tools.com. Here you paste your domain name which you want to use, and suppose I paste facebook.com here on whois.domaintool.com, and we get information about server, website and domain name, etc., then it is authenticate, otherwise it is not. Suppose there is a two reports are there. Both reports for facebook.com. In first report we did not have any information about server and web title and domain profile, so it is a fake. And here the all information about information about domain and date of modification and registrar and country, etc., so it is a authenticate website. Now second is what is cyber stalking. Cyber stalking means if you got multiple email or messages from same id. So basically they it is a email bombarding, so it used for harassment. So how can we identify the how can we prevent our data from this type of stalking? So first is you can filter out some email address which is malicious and mention in firewall. And second is you can also report as a abuse on support.google.com in mail and contacts. Now what is secure? How can we secure our email? Now if I want to know that my email id is secure or not, so here is a website have I been powered.com. So I write my email address here, and if I check, then there is a message that could is no powered found. That means your email address is secure. But if your email address is hacked by any person, then the malice report error report and warning report is generated in the bottom of the page. Now how can we prevent our email address? So we can prevent our email address through the two-way 2FA and other authentication check with your register mobile. So uh, go to your email address and uh, make some settings like a private setting like device activity and secure event, and here select the two-step verification. So two-step means your mobile number got notification if your mobile number is used with you with some other IP address, from some other IP address. And second is email spoofing. Now what is email spoofing? Means if you got some email which demanding for your account information or personal information, so before replying you want to check the email address is valid or not. How can we check? So copy that email ID and uh, in that email ID click on right side on down arrow and select the show original option. If you select the show original option, then many details are display on the screen. Then it copy that information, go to the ip2location.com website, and in this website there is one option for email tracer. Go to the email tracer and paste that information which is copied by us from that email ID. Okay. If it is valid, it is come from valid email sources, then you got information about location, area, zip code, mobile, country, etc. But it is, if it is fake, then you do not get any information. Like this is a fake address, so we cannot get any information. But if your valid email, it's come from valid email address, then you got all information about domain and IP address and etc. Next is identification theft. Now identification theft, for preventing, we first of all we know that we set 2FA technology for OTP generation and secure your password. Always use HTTPS for online transaction. How, and now next is the malicious software. Now what is malicious software? Many times we are accessing the any website, some pop-up and advertisement used for malicious, for uh, send your send you malicious software. So uh, for awareness, for stop this type of activity in our device, some tips are there. And we have a helpline number. We can also give your problems and report to this register email address and website here.